Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have to find the quadrant in which the point minus of 10, minus of 2 lies. So before we begin, we have to create the 2D Cartesian coordinate. So this is the y-axis, positive y-axis, and over here we have negative y-axis. Towards the right side we have positive x-axis, and towards the left side we have negative x-axis. So now this is quadrant number 1, this is quadrant number 2, this is quadrant number 3, and finally this is quadrant number 4, and over here we have origin whose coordinate is 0, 0. Now quadrant number 1 is represented by plus, plus, because in quadrant number 1, if you see, all the values of points of x coordinate will be positive. That is, all points which are present in the coordinate number 1, their x coordinate value will be positive. Similarly, their y coordinate value will also be positive because we are going above the x reference line. So that's why it's represented by plus sign. Now for the second quadrant, we represent it by minus plus sign because the second quadrant is present on the left hand side of the y reference line. Now we know that any point which is present on the left hand side of the y reference line has its value of x coordinate negative. That's why we are using negative sign, and the second quadrant is above the x reference line, so its y coordinate is always positive. So its simple is minus, plus. Now for third quadrant, it is to the left hand side of the y reference line, so we put minus over here, and again it is below the x reference line, so we again put minus over here. So minus, minus is the symbol of the third quadrant, and for the fourth quadrant, it is to the right hand side of the y reference line, so the x coordinate values of any point in this quadrant will be positive, and since it is below the x reference line, so the y coordinate value of any points present in this coordinate will be negative. So positive, negative will be the indication of this quadrant. Now the point given to us is minus of 10, minus of 2. So point given to us, let's consider that point as P. So that point is minus of 10, minus of 2. Now carefully observe that both the x coordinate and the y coordinate of this point is negative. Now since both x and y coordinates of the point is negative, so the point lies in third quadrant. For better understanding, since the x coordinate of the point is minus of 10, so we move 10 units to the left hand side along the x reference line, and then its y coordinate is 2, minus of 2, right? So we move below the x reference line by 2 units. So at first we move to the left hand side of the y reference line on the x axis by 10 units, and then we move 2 units below the x reference line and parallel to the y reference line, and that's where the point P lies. So this will be our required final answer. Thank you and have a great day.